Hello everyone, Akash here. This is SEVICH anti-hair growth essence spray. So this is how it's gonna look like if you get it. This is different than if you get a ginger in a serum. Doesn't have a spray. Like this is a spray, so it's very easy to use. You just pump it like this. The SEVICH is a well-known company. The reason I got the SEVICH because I was using SEVICH anti-hair loss shampoo, and this one is pure ginger. It has ginseng and it has a few other natural ingredients in it. If you ever get this, this is how it looks like. Again, because I had a really good result with this personally over the year. Many different eye product I used myself, and few of them worked for me, and those are the product I reviewed is in there. And you could always ask me in the comment section below if you have any question about anything that you're thinking going through your hair situation. I know, based on my knowledge, personally I've been through that myself, and whatever the hair I have left over right now because of using some of the great product and continue using it. So this one, if you get it for the beginner, I would say use it in the morning. Just spray it. It dries out pretty quick, no big deal. No, it smells, doesn't smell bad at all, nothing. So it's just like you wake up in the morning, you just spray a little bit exactly where you need to comb your hair, go by your day, and do that same thing at night time when you come home, and do the same thing. So you just use it twice a day. Just don't use too much. It's not as big as it is, but you're gonna see a rapid hair growth. Definitely, especially try to put it exactly where you're seeing slow growth, because the ginger and the ginseng and few other, you can see that level, few other ingredients in here, it's all natural, that really gonna help you. So like I said, you get this, and if you could get the SEVICH anti-hair loss shampoo, so in the same company, same brand, also is gonna help you. This is you use if you take a shower every day, just like using your regular shampoo. You use it for like, you keep it on your skull for like 5 minutes, gently massage it and keep it 5 minutes, and it smells great, and just rinse it out. What are you gonna see when you rinse it out? When your hair is dry, your hair looks thicker and fuller. And again, both products are natural, so it's a harmless. It's not a chemical that you're thinking you're putting some chemical in it and that's gonna hurt your hair, or you're gonna lose more hair. And people ask me always, what if my hair improve and then should I stop using it? I would say if your hair improve, then maybe you don't use it twice a day, you use once a day, and use the shampoo every other day, so you don't use it every day. When your hair is improved, if you're using after 30 days you see your hair improving, then use it less, but you continue use it. Say your hair improve more in 2 months, okay, then you could use it every other day, this, or maybe you could use it once a week, so different. And I always say, like, personally, when I was in early 20s, I lost most of my hair, if you see in the pictures, because of using gel. If you're using some chemical gel, stop using chemical gel. This one, I'm using for a few months now. This one, aloe vera, 100% pure majestic gel, 100% pure. If you could get this is gonna last you a long time. Even a man or women both can use it. So basically, if you don't use any hair gel at all, then God bless you. It's good. It's okay. You don't have to worry about it, because sometimes we go to parties, or sometimes we want to style our hair is not exactly, so you need something. So if you're not using any chemical, it's always better to go for it. But if you use gel, and sometime I'll recommend get something, because you're trying to use natural spray to help you improve your hair, using a natural shampoo to help improve your hair. And if you're gonna use chemical, like gel, then that's not gonna help you, because gel, we keep it, once we put it on, we leave it whole day, right? So chemical, you're keeping on your hair for a whole day. Think about how much damage it would do to your hair. And like I said, if you're currently using a chemical or any hair gel, look at it, that what it says on the back of the label. Or this is the aloe vera, I will really highly recommend it. I have the link in the description box. Again, you could check out wherever you are in the world, in your local store or online store. If you find something aloe vera 100% or anything like that similar to it, go for it, because that's definitely going to save you for long run for hair fall. So this is why, when you use something, it works for you, you always stick to it. Like SEVICH anti-hair loss shampoo, this is a great, it really helped me. Now, because of this worked for me, I got this. Like I said, your hair situation could be different. You need something maybe stronger, like in your hair lotion, or maybe some other ginger serum, or you need some kind of a hair supplement, or you need something. You could check it out on my channel. playlist, all hair growth, is everything there. But remember one thing, if something you use first time it didn't work for you, that doesn't mean that you should give up. You should always try something different, something maybe a little bit more stronger or different brand, and if something working for you, stick to it. So hope this video was helpful to you. If this video was helpful to you, please hit the like button. Thank you so much.